Hello everyone, my name is Wang Yihua, a student from Athena Center. Today I'm going to present my practice report on network administration tools. In this essay, I learned how to use several tools to monitor and manage both my personal computer network and a LAN environment. My lecture is Mr. Bảo Thắng. Instead, I will go through which application, explain what is theirs, and demonstrate how it works. So, overall, today I will learn how to use network administration tools for personal and LAN management. Next, I will practice key tools for monitoring, control, and analysis. Then I'll record the process and explain the functions of each tool. So this is my practice steps. So to talk about the first part of my report, there are several tools. The first tool is a result monitor. It's a built-in Windows utility that allows me to monitor real-time network activity for each process. And the second tool is Glasswire. Uh, Glasswire is both firewall and a visual network monitor. It shows a beautiful live graph of our network activity and lists every application connected to the internet. So the third tool is NetBalancer. This software allows me to control the prioritized internet bandwidth for each application, and I can set upload and download limits or assign priority levels. So the next tool is net traffic. It's a lightweight program that displays real-time network traffic as a graph on desktop. It shows upload and download speed in real time and also keeps a history of daily, weekly, and monthly data uses. This tool is very convenient for monitoring internet users and detecting unusual spikes in network activity. So we move to the part two about LAN network management tools. Uh, so the first tool is OS Monitor, which is used for LAN management, and it allows administration to administrators to control and monitor on computers in the same local network. And the next tool is MyLAN Viewer. It scans the local network and lists on connected devices, including IP addresses, MAC addresses, operating systems, and shared folders. I can easily detect which devices are currently connected to my Wi-Fi or LAN. So the final tool is Advanced IP Scanner. It's a free and portable program that quickly scans the entire LAN to find active devices. It detects open ports like HTTP, HTTPS, and file transfer protocol, and can export results to a report file. Now I will install an open Glasswire. The program automatically scans my network connections and displays them in real time. Okay, wait a minute for setting up the programs. So in this program, will show the displays real-time network traffic graphs and shows applications, IP addresses, and countries connected. So click finish. Mm, And how you see which applications are connecting online and check if any of them are safe using first total. So you can choose other features these applications. And now I will open the Athena MS website, and we'll see the address countries connected. Okay, here you can see the ms athena.edu.vn here, the IP address and the countries is Vietnam. So we'll see here some log analysis today, and now I will use NetPanzer to manage bandwidth allocation. So to talk about the main functions of this application is our set upload and prioritizes limit bandwidth for specific processes, patterns, and network users across multiple programs. So now we'll install the application. Um, we have to wait a minute to reset my laptop. So now, whenever it's done, I will open the application, then do some step to set the prioritize of my bandwidth. So whenever then I can right click any running process and select edit priority and set a priority level for upload or download. I can choose high for download velocity and normal for is on upload velocity. Then I will install net traffic, uh, lightweight tool that visualize my internet users. So to talk about the functions, it will show upload download speed in real time, custom, customizable job color, scale, and thresholds. And we can see the logs daily, weekly, and monthly uses. So, part two, I will talk about LAN network management tools. So now I will install OS Monitor. No, OS Monitor is a professional LAN management tool, and after setup, I can monitor user activities, send messages, even limit bandwidth directly for the server as well. So finally, now next, then I use my LAN viewer to scan the local network. It automatically detects on devices connected to my Wi-Fi or LAN. So it also shows the IP address, MAC addresses, OS, and logged in users. We'll wait a minute for setting up the application. So whenever it done, you can see here it lists each device with its IP address and available services. I can also export the scan results as a report for documentation. I will do it later. Now, here the resources, computers. So finally, I use advanced IP scanner to quickly scan on devices in my LAN It lists each device with its IP address and available services. So now we scan my IP. Here my real laptop is MSI, and um, here the two the other virtual machines in my setting. So here you can see the IP address, the address of these devices, and now I can create a report documentation. Now we named it a report house to and the IP. Here we can see the web report of my IP address that I create. See IP address, manufacturer, and MAC address. So to conclude, I have practiced using several important network administration tools like Glasswire, NetPanzer, NetTraffic, OS Monitor, my LAN Viewer, and Advanced IP Scanner. Each tool helps monitor, control, analyze different aspects of network. Through this exercise, I learned how to manage both personal network connections and LAN environments effectively. I recorded the phone process and will upload the video to Athena Facebook group for instructor feedback. Thank you very much for listening. I hope to receive valuable advices from the center.